YouTube, what's going on? So in today's video, I wanted to go over the stock market. Before I do that, I also did say that I was gonna join futures. I said forex, but I meant to say futures. And I'm in my evaluation of Tradeovate right now, Apex. So right now, I haven't taken any trade. I started yesterday, but I haven't taken any trades yet because I haven't seen any setup. The one setup that I was waiting on was this sell right here. I wanted the stock to come up to here for me to sell, but it just did not make it all the way up, unfortunately. Um, I do option trading, so I bought a option right here, right here. I bought an option. Win or lose, I'm okay with it. Because I bought it at support. And the reason why I like this support more than anything else is because there's no other support in the stock market currently. The way I look at the market, I should say. There is, whoa, I just saw something. You're overbought on the 1 month. I should be very, very careful about that one. But yeah, so this was the only higher time frame support that I've seen. So this is why I bought a call option at the end of the day. I'm gonna go over another trade that I also took, and yeah. So the reason why I have this down here, this buy right here, is if for some reason this fails, then I know that we're gonna bounce right here, and I am willing to risk $600 to make up to $2,000 because I do believe the stock is gonna reverse. So that's why I have my three contracts here. Before I go to bed, I am gonna cancel it though, but that's just me because I don't want to not be awake, not seeing what's going on. The next play that I did take was actually right here on Nvidia. It's a small win, but a win is a win. A win is a win. Was right here. See this yellow line right here? 4 hour fair value gap double. That means there was a double greens, which means let me see if I can find any right now. It's like this zone. So this zone are very, very powerful when they have double green. When they have green, and then another one. So I took it at the closer, that like down here. I took my contract and I bought. Unfortunately, I got kicked out. Well, not unfortunately. Fortunately, I got kicked out. It is what it is. I do believe that this thing could actually take off from here, simply because of this 30-minute fair value gap. But it's already been used up, so it doesn't mean it can't keep, using, but it just, it is what it is. I got kicked out in profit, so I'm okay with that. So let's go over a couple of stocks. First, I want to talk over Neo because in my last video I said I was in my title Neo and a couple other stocks that I was looking at, but I didn't actually talk about Neo. So with Neo, I would have missed the trade because I had my buy zone down here, which was really good. Really, really good down here. Like, I really like this level. But unfortunately, it just did not come down to my buy zone. But it was a very powerful buy zone. I would tell you that much. I was waiting. Just to go over a quick couple stocks was AT&T, which I said I wanted to buy down here, but unfortunately it took off. So it is what it is. If it come back down, I'm still gonna purchase it, but I'm just gonna have to wait. Spot Spotify also took off. Yeah, Spotify also took off. I really wanted to buy T-Mobile at the end of this day, but I didn't. Man, I guess it is what it is. Mara, all my plays took off. All of them took off. Like, all of them took off. Um, I was also talking about Mara. I wanted to buy Mara down here at this 1 week fair value gap closer, and unfortunately, I just didn't buy it. Man, I didn't buy like anything. I don't know what's wrong with me. All my plays hit. So when it comes to the fair value gaps, it never had to actually close all the way. So I'll show you a reason why. See, you never always have to close all the way. So this is why I was going to take the play, was because it was right here. I wanted to come down to here, close this gap, and then I would have bought it, right? But unfortunately, I knew that he had a possibility of doing this, which was filling the gap, coming down to the gap, um, and then reverse, coming down to gap in a pre-market, which is what I knew was could have happened, and reverse. I didn't take that one. This one right here, I'm still looking to short this one soon. BABA is still, came down to my buy zone and it just took off. Could short it up here, but I'll have to wait and see if I want to do that. I'll just wait for my buy zone, which is down here. It's pretty far, but I'll have to wait and see. Let me see. My AI call worked. My AMD still worked. I sold it already, but worked. That was a win. Moderna, win. Like, all my plays worked. All of them. So even if you could say, "Oh, that's just luck," it was not luck. All these were very good trades. I just never got the opportunity to play some of them. I'm just mad. Like, I can't believe I didn't. I missed so many good trades, man. Ah, this sucks. But it is what it is. There's always another play in the market. As I said, I took a spy call at the end of the day. I wasn't looking at SPY when I took it. I was looking at ES because SPY follow ES. So why would I try to take a play off SPY? But either way, if somehow I lose, I would take another play down here to close up this fair value gap, which is the same thing as ES. So I will just wait and see what the market decides to do in the morning. Win, lose, I'm not sure what's what. But lastly, I have to bring this up, man. I have to bring this up. Bitcoin. Bitcoin did exactly, let's say 95% of what I wanted it to do, which is this was here. Like, I called this play. Like, I called it to the T. No, I didn't play it. Leave me alone. I said Bitcoin was gonna come up to here, but it didn't make it all the way up, and then it sold off, which I predicted. But then I said we were then gonna take off. Like, you see this? Take off. And then another play that I had was we come up to here, and then we fill this right here, and then we drop. And it's not like, the reason why I said that is because there's another fair value gap that it could just be filling before it decides to tank back down, which is this one right here. And then I can take a play off down here. If it comes down to 62, something like that, then I would take a long. Let me clean up the chart a little bit so you guys can see it, what I'm trying to show you. So yeah, so see this fit imbalance right here. So wait, actually, it already filled it. Yeah, you don't have to worry about it anymore. It actually already filled it. So yeah, I don't have to worry about it. It's already been filled already. So yeah, Bitcoin can take off now if it wants to. If that's what it wants to do. The RSI is burning up on a 4-hour time frame. So I would, I would, I don't know. I don't have anything for this anymore. My prediction was to come down and it take off. I don't have any other play. Could it cool off right here? It could cool off right here because of resistance, but I don't see any reason why. Why would it need to? If it doesn't need to, you could actually just take off right here. No stopping it. I'm just happy that I never sold anything Bitcoin wise. Like, I still have everything I bought, and I haven't sold anything. I just been holding on to it. But yeah, so I will keep an eye out to see. Oh, I also, this one right here, I'm also in this one for my long term. You guys don't have to listen to me on this one, okay? This is just me. So this one right here is basically um, flying taxis type of thing, and this is an EFT. So there's a couple stocks that is following that has flying taxis, but I never like to invest into just a company. I like to invest in an EFT that have a good backing of, like, they bought a lot of stocks in the company. So there's two companies that I wanted. So instead of buying them both, I just bought this EFT, which has the both of them plus more. So I don't have to worry about, just it crashing all the way down, which can do, but it just safer this way when I do it this way. So I'm investing in both the companies at the same time. But that's just me. This is just me talking. So I'm definitely gonna hold this for the long term. That's like 20, 30 years from now. They could have fine taxes. This thing could pop off, but I don't know. I'll have to just see. But anyways, so I'll see you guys on the next one. Later.